Hi, it's Bill Schroeder with In Touch Practice Communications. I'm super excited to bring great news to you today. You see, I'm here to announce the launch of my monthly webinar series, where my team and I are going to circle around very important digital marketing tips and techniques. It's a webinar that has been created as a year-long journey through the things that are working to develop practices just like yours. So whether we're talking about pay-per-click, social media, website development, content creation, reputation management, email marketing, blogs, all these sorts of things are within the wheelhouse and playbooks of the digital marketing experts that work with me at InTouch. We're opening up these playbooks. We're sharing the tips, tricks, trends, and basically the applications with you so that you can immediately take them back to your practice and grow. So sign up below, grab some information about this series, and please join me on a monthly basis so you can grow and you can reach the right pet owners in your community. Thank you very much. If you've got any questions, please feel free to email me at Bill, that's BILL, at intouchvet.com, or give me a call at 1-800-493-9003. I'll see you on the webinar.